The AcuBall Mini and AcuBall are an excellent combination of acuproducts to use for shoulder pain and neck pain release. First, we're going to take the AcuBall Mini and place it underneath our right shoulder blade if that's the arm that you mainly use when you're mousing, when you're on the cell phone, when you're doing your work. Once you've got the Mini underneath your shoulder blade, move your body up or down the mat till you zero in on the spot behind your shoulder. You'll know when you find it. It's really powerful. Once the Mini is in place, take your AcuBall and place it behind your neck. Now, in this case, we have a lovely long neck on our patient, and so we're going to use a book which will boost up the AcuBall by about a half an inch. Now we'll place the AcuBall with the groove at the center of our neck so that the vertebrae from the cervical spine fit in. And with hands at side, palm facing up, simply relax, letting the weight of your body do the work. What's so fascinating about this technique is that without any effort whatsoever, the shoulder blade will begin to release, and you can actually feel it migrate out to the right side as the rhomboid muscles start to let go. And the neck will also start to gently traction open. The two-ball technique, as this is called, is absolutely fantastic for restoring cervical curvature and releasing the contraction that happens between our shoulder blade and our neck, which is very common today with our mouse using, cell phone using society.